So here we are in nighttime clean. I have been so exhausted lately with the RA. I guess it's a symptom of it, is extreme exhaustion, that I haven't cleaned in like 3 days. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Living room needs a little sprucing. It's nighttime, the hall. We're gonna start off and knock this kitchen out because I want the house to be perfectly reset for the weekend, because I have holiday stuff I need to do, crafts. This year for Christmas, I am not buying gifts, I am making them for people. I culled through all my crafts. I'm making resin cups. And I need to work on that this weekend. I have several made, but I need to make several more. So that's why all this needs to get spiffy before the weekend. All right, so come on over and nighttime clean with me. There it is, all sparkling clean. Many minutes later, my humble kitchen. Yeah. So here we go into the living room area. Right now I'm putting out my Christmas throws, putting the fall throws away. Every season I change the throws on my sofas. I started it when I had lots of animals in the house, and I've just kept it going. I'm going to vacuum a little, tidy up a little, and at this point I'm in a lot of pain, but I'm going to keep pushing through because I know tomorrow morning I'll be so happy if I do.